But honestly, who could be more honest? Welcome to the Honest Goddess, and in today's video I will be reviewing this deep wave closure wig from Westkiss hair. I want to thank Westkiss for sending me this hair, and guys, even though they sent me the hair and this is a sponsored video, all my reviews are 100% honest. So anything I say from this point is from the Honest Goddess, okay? Honestly, who could be more honest? But yeah, guys, let's get into this. So it came in this cute package that you can use to store the hair in later. It also came with an elastic for customizing your wig, along with wig caps and a customer card. Here is the hair right out of the package. The curls are so defined and shiny, and I could already feel how good the quality was because it was so soft. And here you can see the hairline was more on the natural side than dense and super thick like some wigs. And guys, it just was a regular cap. It came with 3 combs and obviously the adjustable straps to tighten the cap. Okay, so guys, you already know I'm not really a wig person. I think I've had 2 wigs on my channel, but like those wigs are like once in a blue moon I wear them, right? So because this was a frontal, I did not want to mess it up, so I did go and get it customized, and it was customized by Shen's Head at the House of London in Toronto. Pretty much I got the glueless frontal wig install, and this service includes pretty much bleaching of knots and plucking off the hairline, as well as complimentary styling. So it also included pretty much the braid down of my hair and the actual application of the wig, right? But yeah, definitely check out Shen's Head on Instagram. I'll leave her @ in the description box and also on the screen. She did such a good job on the install, and the customer service at House of London was actually so good. And the reason why I wanted glueless was because, as I said, I'm not really a wig person, so I really wanted to take it off once I was finished wearing it and be able to put it on just as easily, right? So in terms of the glueless application at home, it was super easy, right? She also gave me a little goodie bag which included something for my baby hairs and also to melt the lace. If you want to see how that's done, definitely go to my Instagram. I will have a video there on how pretty much I install the hair at home. Okay, so for the review, let's start with the quality. Okay, so the quality and the texture of the hair, I loved it. Loved it, right? It is just so soft. It's so soft, like so soft. Like I could feel that from I opened the packaging, right? It's also so shiny. It keeps shining really well. It's not dull at all. And the curl is just, honestly, it's not even really a wave, it's more of a curl, because even some parts you can see like it's coils. It coils, it doesn't just wave, it actually coils, which I actually like. It's actually very similar, I guess, to my natural hair kinda, except it's flat, right? It's like the wet look, if I did the wet look on my hair. But I actually really love the quality, love the texture. Obviously time will tell if it endures, but as an initial review, it's really good. Like I know I said I'm not a wig person. Oh my god, I've said it like 10 times now, but I actually have worn this wig, I want to say, for a week straight, and so far definitely the texture and the quality is the same, right? I love it. And I didn't do a lot, like honestly it's just hair oil and mousse, like, and water. That's it. Easy. Also, from the other wigs I've had, this is actually very comfortable. I don't know if this is a different wig cap size. I feel like they're all the same, maybe not, but this is actually very comfortable. I usually don't like having wigs on my head because it gives me a headache, but this has actually been very comfortable. No headache, and I think that's why I've been wearing it for a week straight, because it feels like nothing is really on my head. The lace is also really good. I partially have to give Shen's head credits because obviously she did lay it, she did tint it. I think she did tint it to match perfectly, right? Super blendable and it just melts perfectly. Love it. Okay, review of the price. I think the price was definitely affordable, especially for a good quality wig. For the price, it actually wasn't that bad at all, especially since, or I'll just roll into the next category of the review, which is, I guess, the shipping slash, I guess, it being distributed from Amazon, right? So it being sold on Amazon is definitely a plus because it came so quick. Even though I'm in Canada, I swear I got it in less than 4 days, which is really good, right? And once more, it factors into the price that it came so quick. Usually you'd have to pay like an express fee for shipping, but no, it was included in the Amazon price, which made it great. It made it really accessible for a good quality wig. Overall, guys, I guess I would say this is definitely an affordable, good quality wig, right? And when you think about buying wig on Amazon, you're like, I don't know about that. But it's actually worth it. It's actually definitely worth it. Like, so nice. And guys, come on, you order everything else from Amazon, so why not buy a wig? A good quality wig. Just look at the hair, let the hair talk for itself. Like, it is so nice. Like, I just love it. Like, what? So nice. And guys, I'm not a wig person, but I'm starting to think like, okay, when you see wigs on camera, that's not how they look in person. So even though I can still see some of the grids, I know that no wig is never gonna have no grids at all because obviously all wigs have like lace, right? But this to me is laid. This to me is melted, right? I love it. Like, this isn't bad. And I've even gotten reviews from my friends who actually do wear wigs a lot, and they said the same thing, like, this is melted. Like, once more, I do have to give Shen's her props. Yeah, she customized it, but you could even see from the initial unboxing how good the lace was and how it wasn't dense. Like, I don't know, maybe I'll put a picture. Like, some wigs, they come so dense. I remember not the last wig I had. There's a wig that is not on my channel and that will never be on my channel because I customized it. And when I say it was so dense that I could make it work, I could not make it work. But yeah, no, this lace already came pretty much very natural. And I'm sure that's why it was so easy to melt. Definitely check out westkiss hair on Amazon and on Instagram. I will leave their information on the screen and I'll also leave it in the description box as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.